Join me as I dive deep into the world of AI and challenge myself to find the most mind-blowing ways it's revolutionizing internet search. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in various industries, but one area that's seeing a significant transformation is internet search. The way we access information is changing, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. With traditional search engines struggling to keep up with our rapidly evolving online behaviors, AI-powered search tools are stepping in to provide more accurate, personalized, and intuitive results. When we think of traditional search engines, we're reminded of the good old days of scrolling through endless pages of results, hoping to stumble upon the information we need. But the truth is, these engines have major limitations. One of the biggest issues is relevance. We've all experienced the frustration of searching for something specific only to be met with irrelevant results. And let's not forget about information overload. With so much content available online, it's easy to get lost in the noise. Another problem with traditional search engines is the user experience. Most of us have to phrase our searches in a specific way to get the desired results, which can be time-consuming and require a lot of effort. It's like trying to have a conversation with a robot that doesn't understand us. And even when we do get the results we need, they're often presented in a way that's difficult to navigate. Finally, traditional search engines lack the ability to understand context and nuance. They rely on keywords and algorithms, but they don't truly understand what we're looking for. This can lead to a lot of wasted time and effort, especially when we're searching for complex topics or specific answers. But what if I told you there's a better way? AI technologies like natural language processing and machine learning are being integrated into search engines to provide smarter, more intuitive search experiences. These tools can understand our queries in a more human-like way, recognizing context and nuance to deliver more accurate results. One of the most promising applications of AI in search is natural language processing. This technology allows search engines to understand our queries in a more conversational way, recognizing phrases and sentences rather than just keywords. This means we can search for information using everyday language without having to phrase our queries in a specific way. Another game changer is machine learning, which enables search engines to learn from our behavior and adapt to our needs over time. This means that the more we use an AI-powered search tool, the more accurate and personalized our results will become. It's like having a personal assistant that learns our habits and preferences to deliver tailored results. Imagine being able to search for information using voice commands, or even just by thinking about what you need. This is the future of search, and AI is making it possible. With AI-powered search tools, we can say goodbye to tedious keyword searches and hello to more intuitive conversational interactions. Take, for example, the AI-powered search tool developed by a team of researchers at MIT. This tool uses machine learning to understand the context and intent behind a search query, delivering results that are much more accurate and relevant than traditional search engines. In one study, the tool was able to reduce the number of search results by 90%, saving users hours of time and effort. It's case studies like these that demonstrate the potential of AI to revolutionize internet search. The benefits of AI in revolutionizing search are clear. With AI-powered search tools, we can access more accurate and personalized information, saving time and effort in the process. This has huge implications for industries like healthcare, finance, and education, where access to accurate information is critical. So, what do you think about the future of search? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to check out my other videos for more insights on technology trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.